Hi, my name is Ade from Taff Housing Association. This is our new development in Adamsdown. Come on in, let me show you around.
Hi, I'm David from Taff Cymru, and today we're in a new development called Cwt Gannet. I think it was an old theatre hall, and it had been a bingo hall, and it burned down. And what's wonderful about social housing is they've taken that derelict site and built something special here. I think it's about 38, 39 flats they've built on this derelict piece of land. It's got a number of heat recovery systems in it. It's got super insulation. Some of them have got radiant heating in it. Others have got different types of things. It's got nice little solar on the roof, feeding down to individual batteries. Side as well, they've got some lovely facilities, bike storage as you'd expect. Nice storage unit with a lovely sedum roof. If you're not familiar with that, it's a lovely sort of plant-based roof that helps with the drainage. It stops the water going straight down into, in terms of high water, floods and things like that. It also provides more biodiversity for nature to thrive using effectively a garage roof.
At Taff Housing, we're always looking at ways to ensure we provide best value for many projects, flats, houses for our tenants. So this place is built up to EPCA standard. That's the highest EPC rating standard. So we've got different type of technology that we've put into this place to make sure it's energy efficient. So for instance, we've got in this flat, we've got infrared wallpaper, which provides heating.
Now, we've talked about infrared heating, radiant heating before. It's a type of wallpaper on the ceiling that then radiates down, it's electric heating, it radiates down and warms the room. What you feel straight away is you can feel that just ambient warmth people talk about. If you touch it, I'm not tall enough, but if you touch the ceiling, it is warm because it's been set quite high to demonstrate how it works. It just feels like you're in sunshine, and that makes a lovely warm heating system. There's no radiators in here. Because it radiates down, it warms the objects as well. So the flooring is warmed up. So again, you can walk through your flat without your slippers on and things like that in the morning. It feels warm.